Hello, let's talk today about 5 koshas. According to yoga, according to Taittiriya Upanishad, human beings have 5 levels of energy. This energy exists in range from the most physical, the most material, to the most subtle levels. Those 5 koshas, they called Pata kosha or 5 sheets. First, Anandamaya kosha, it is physical body. Then second, Pranamaya kosha, it is pranic body. Then Manomaya kosha, it is mental body. Then Vijnanamaya kosha, it is astral body or intuition body. And the last one, it is Anandamaya kosha. It is body of bliss. And now let's get a little bit deeper into each kosha. Anandamaya kosha, it is physical body, it is physical sheet that is created from food. From air, from water, and it is the most gross level of prana. Second, Pranamaya kosha, it is more subtle body, and Pranamaya kosha inside of us makes quite a lot of functions. For example, it is fulfills our every cell by energy, Pranamaya kosha. It also supports and nourishes our physical body to make it vital. So for example, when in yoga we do pranayamas, we work with our Pranamaya kosha, with pranic body. Then third one, it is Manomaya kosha, it is mental body. And Manomaya kosha, it is like a connector between our more gross physical levels to the more subtle levels, with higher koshas, the more subtle koshas. And Manomaya kosha also makes a lot of different functions, and Manomaya kosha shares sensations and experiences that we get in physical body, for example, to our Vijnanamaya kosha, to our intuition body, and other functions. Then Vijnanamaya kosha, it is astral shell or body of intuition. And Vijnanamaya kosha, when it awakens, person begin to experience life on the intuitive level. So from this level, it leads to wisdom when person starts living through this level. And the last one, Anandamaya kosha, it is body of bliss, and it's like a transcendental body. It is like the most subtle body, and this sheet experiences happiness by itself after making good deeds. This, as we can understand from name, Ananda, it is bliss. It is body of bliss, when we experience some kind of very, very high happiness. And in this level, a human sees himself as a tool of higher power, and in this level there is almost no individuality. So all those 5 sheets, all those like 5 bodies, they are in one. It means that we all have all those levels, but not all of those levels are available maybe right now, because it happens the more person are developed spiritually, the more koshas, the more levels of understanding are available to him. So when we are growing in our life, so we need to learn actually how to switch our consciousness to different levels to different koshas, because in the different kosha we can feel and see the different reality. It means if we are able to switch our focus, to switch our consciousness to, for example, Vijnanamaya kosha, so then our life becomes much more fulfilled with intuition. Yes, so basically that's all. For us, it is important to remember that we are not only this physical body, that physical body, it is one of the bodies or one of the sheets, and the more we are growing in life, the more we can see and understand and feel that there are quite more processes happening inside of us. And to understand all those processes, that's the reason why we need to learn a little bit more about ourselves. This is the reason why we need to ask ourselves question, who am I? That's all for today. Please let me know in the comments what do you think about 5 koshas. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.